It all happened like back in like late 2017 or like early 2018. That's when me and Justin met, and I was already aware of his existence, of like his work, actor's work and director work in the past. But him and my manager just happened to be like friends, and they've been friends for like 20 years or so. So I told my manager, I was like, I would love to like hang out with him. So we just hung out one day, came to my studio, and that was when we kind of like realized that we have kind of like very similar interests and like we kind of could possibly make something. And after that, like 2 years after that, we were just like talking for a while. He would just ask me random questions about my life and like my music life and stuff like that. And that was when he was working on the script. So yeah, it was just like a really like spontaneous, like organic kind of collaboration process. I tell people I'm working on a movie, but it's like you don't really, I don't see it like being worked on. I just kind of like talk to Justin sometimes. But one month or like one year, it just like everything started getting real. It's like, yo, we're gonna do like Zoom readings next week, and you're gonna go to Hawaii at this time. And that was when everything felt real, and I just kind of like completely dove into the acting world, and like we did like a month of rehearsals and all kinds of stuff. So I was just like fully just deep in this movie, and like I didn't touch music like almost the whole time. To be honest, I haven't seen the movie. I've only seen like the rough cut of it, so this is my first time seeing the final cut. And I've been hearing great things from people who have seen like the more recent cut than I have. So hopefully what people are going to take away is that, the story of this is like just a beautiful like father and son story, but also just a story about, it's really sad, but there's also hope. And so I hope people take away that message, and like people can find a sense of like relatability of this movie as well, and seeing like another Indonesian person on the screen, and just I can't wait to see it. I think it's gonna be super cool based on what I've seen shoot in Hawaii, so I'm excited. Dude, I really don't know. I think Justin told me after this I might get like more offers and stuff like that. It feels like it, and before music, my main like passion and background was cinematography, and like I was making short like action skits with my brother and stuff, and I used to be in it just because I had to, because I didn't know anyone else, right? So that was my only acting experience, and I do still see myself as like, after having experienced this shooting of this movie, I still see myself as like making stuff, directing stuff, or like writing and stuff in the future, in the back, like behind the scenes part. Acting, I'm like still trying to figure out if I want to like keep doing it, but I'm definitely going to explore like whatever comes to me, and I think like this acting like path is just like the start of whatever I'm going to do in the music world. I mean in the film world, sorry.